Hey Access Church family, we just want to make sure that you put on your calendar right now our week of prayer emphasis. That's going to be in January from Sunday night the 17th to Wednesday night the 20th. And that night on the 20th, we're going to have a beautiful night of worship and prayer combined. We believe it's critical that the church dives into prayer at the beginning of each year so that we can have the hand of the Lord upon us. Imagine if we went into 2020 without fasting and prayer, what the year would have really looked like. So we thank God for all things. We thank Him for the good, we thank Him for the bad, because He is always good no matter what the circumstances. And we want to encourage you, Sunday night, January 17th at 7 p.m., and then all week long at 7 p.m., Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we're going to gather, worship God, seek His face, and end it with a beautiful season of worship and prayer. We're going to love to see you. We're going to love to pray. We're going to love to worship. We're going to love our God. God bless you. Have an amazing day, and I look forward to seeking the face of the Lord with you.